Hi, welcome back to our second half of our storytime video. We always start with our sign language. So the first thing I'm going to show you is bicycle. It's two fists pointing away from your body towards someone else, and you pretend you're riding. Bicycle, bicycle. Because it's Memorial Day weekend coming up, I'm going to show you the sign for flag. One hand out flat, so it's the ground. Here's your flagpole, and you wave your flag. Flag. So again, flag. There are two good signs for this weekend. We have coloring pages. Jan Brett's the hedgehog with the flag. Honor Guard with the flags. Another single soldier honor guard, and a soldier blowing taps. Our links are both for bicycles and Memorial Day. First, South Coast Bikeways maps, so you know what bikeways, there's a lot around this area, and we're lucky we live by the shore, they're flat. A link for bicycle safety from AAA, like in our story, he wore his helmet, he had a flag. Lots of times you put a bell on your bike for safety to notify people you're coming. We have a fun link about the Tour de France, which is a very, very famous bike race where people all over the world go to France and ride for hundreds of miles. And last but not least, a link for the meaning of Memorial Day from Time for Kids, a nice simple link to explain why we celebrate Memorial Day. The last thing I wanted to share with families this session is that the library was able, through a CARES Act grant, to purchase 5 STEM kits for families and children for the library. We've got several displayed here. Let me list them for you. First is an anti-gravity maglev kit for a little bit older. The second is the fossil and dinosaur kit, and you can see some toy dinosaurs, a big magnifying glass to help look at the fossil kit, a couple of books, one for older and one for younger children, a 5 DVD set to learn about dinosaurs, and even a geological time chart so you can identify which dinosaur came from which period. So it's a mix of manipulatives and books and DVDs. The human body kit is very similar. It has a couple of books, a DVD, a squishy human body game, and a big one with charts that identify the human body, the second game. The telescope and space kit has 2 books for space, a DVD about space, and then a book that tells you 50 things you can do and see with your telescope. So again, it's the mix. And the last but not least is a weather kit, which talks about wild weather, the weather service. Each kit comes in a large plastic bag which has the list of everything so you can keep it together, and it explains it a little. These are fun kits to do with your children, and they will learn and the whole family will enjoy it. Thank you for listening.